What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be taking a quick look and a basic review of the K88H Android smartwatch, which can go from anywhere between $30 to $40 depending on the website and seller that you choose to get it from. I am going to have my affiliate link in the video description below, so if you guys do want to purchase this watch after the video, you guys can support me by using my affiliate link, which should take you to trusted sellers and websites, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And before we begin today, make sure to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming out with new regular videos on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches, so make sure you guys don't miss out on that. Now let's begin. This watch comes with quite a bit of variations in terms of the material of the watch band and the color of the watch case. This variation is the gold watch with leather band. The gold, of course, just the color. And this watch operates off a charges through a 4-pin magnetic charger, which could be used with some of the other popular Chinese watches as well, such as the DM98, DM99, KW88, and KW99. So same charger as those watches I just mentioned. If you guys do not know what those watches are and are interested, they're also under my channel's playlist, so be sure to check that out if you guys are interested. Now, let's put this watch on and see how it feels and looks. Now, I really like the feel and the style of this watch already because this seems to be a dressier watch. So, I don't really like watches with leather bands, but this is an exception. The watch face is not too small or big, but it's a little bit on the bigger side. So I do like it. That's how I prefer, because it just seems a little more masculine. Now let's see with some of the watches that this watch has to offer, features that this watch has to offer. Now this watch operates completely off a full touchscreen, which is pretty amazing for a watch this price range, and with the resolution of the screen as well, it's pretty impressive already. Now we can first check how many watch faces this watch offers, and how you do that is long press the default watch face, go through some of the other watch faces. So it looks like it does have quite a few. We're gonna go back to maybe this one. This one seems pretty cool. Okay. And we're gonna check out some of the features on this watch. This watch operates what it looks like to be an Android Wear smartwatch. I'm trying to get the yellow button to show, but it seems like the lighting is not being compatible right now. So also this watch does it does get compatible with both Android and iPhones. So you're gonna have your basic phone functions, your messages. Get that connected to your Bluetooth and you should be able to read your messages. Scroll through and down and you can get notifications, anti-loss functions, calendar, Bluetooth, so very standard functions for a Android smartwatch. You're going to have a Bluetooth camera. Okay, so we're not going to go through that right now, but you do know that we have a Bluetooth camera. I believe this would be a remote camera, so it's the lenses are not actually on this watch, but you could take remote pictures instead. You're gonna have your power saving mode, which is pretty nice if you guys don't feel like charging your watches as often. I want to browse through to see some of the fitness tracking functions for you guys to see. Okay, so here it is. the fitness tracking functions: sleep monitor, heart rate, sedentary reminder, and Siri. Also your pedometer as well. So you're going to have your basic fitness tracking functions, but you're not going to have a blood pressure monitor on here. Now, so a lot of people do get confused about how to set certain settings. Now, if you go to the end of your menu, all the way down here, you're going to see settings, where you get to adjust your clock, sound, volume. This touch screen is way too sensitive. You get to adjust your language as well. So currently we're in English, but if you want to go anywhere else, such as French, Spanish, Portuguese, so quite a bit of languages you can actually get this watch to be compatible with. So it's also a very international smartwatch. So that's pretty much it for this quick review of this watch. Now I did mention that I really like this watch because of the resolution, the style, and how it looks. So for $30 to $40, this watch definitely feels like it could be, you know, worth about $100, $120. So I do like this watch, and I do recommend it. Tell me how you guys think in the video description below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.